Let's change an improper fraction to a mixed number and check the answer. Here we have 29 over 3. This bar means division, so divide 29 by 3. How many times 3 goes into 29? 9 times. 9 times 3 is 27. Subtract 27. 29 minus 27 is 2, so the remainder is 2. Now we can write the mixed number. Start with 9. 9 will be the whole number. Write it in the front. The remainder 2 will be the numerator. Write it on top. And the denominator will stay the same, 3. So 29 over 3 is equal to 9 and 2/3. Now we can check the answer. This is how you do it. 3 times 9 is 27, plus 2 is 29. So we got it. Now let's do one more. Here we have 64 over 5. We are changing it into a mixed number. This bar means division, so divide 64 by 5. Very good. How many times 5 goes into 6? 1 time. 1 times 5 is 5, so subtract 5. 6 minus 5 is 1. Bring down the 4. How many times 5 goes into 14? 2 times. Very good. 2 times 5 is 10. Minus 10. 14 minus 10 is 4. So the remainder is 4. Now we can write the mixed number. Start with 12. 12 will be the whole number. Write it in the front. The remainder 4 will be the numerator. Write it on top. And the denominator will stay the same, 5. So 64 over 5 is equal to 12 and 4/5. Now we can check our answer. 5 times 12 is 60. Plus 4 is 64. So we did it.